Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we'll be showing you how to make these little keychains using your handprint and using acrylic paint, and we're using Jay's, my silly boys. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we'll be showing you how to make DIY keychains for Mother's Day gift. So this is one of them up close. So we just used some acrylic paint on his little hand and made a cute little handprint out of it. So I ordered the Shrinky Dink Shrinkable paper from Amazon. I will link that down in the description below for you guys. So I'm starting off by painting my little one's hand with some yellow acrylic paint. It's the Apple Barrel brand that I'm using. It's a non-toxic paint, so it works great for this type of project, and it is safe to bake it. So I would just suggest to always look up the type of paint that you're using to make sure it's safe to bake in your oven. And as you'll see in the reflection, he is just smiling and laughing. He thinks it is so funny to paint his little hand yellow. And so we just added a little heart, and now we're going to set that one aside. And I'm going to move on and do one with my oldest son. So we're just painting his hand a light blue and just having him press his hand down as well. And now he's just going to paint a little heart in the center. And now we're going to try to do a butterfly shape, so we're going to use both hands for this project. So he wanted to paint one hand pink, and do the other hand yellow. And for all of these, I just let them pick the colors that they wanted to use. And so now, just to make it look more like a butterfly, he's painting a little center part for the butterfly's body with little antennas on it. And adding a little extra decorative touch to it, he wanted to add some polka dots on each side. And so now I'm just going to cut each of these out. And this is how they look after they're cut out. And so now I'm just going to go ahead and do a little hole punch into it before we bake it. So now this is after they're done baking in the oven and they've cooled off. I'm just adding a layer of Modpodge over them to seal them, just to keep them from scratching up or getting messed up when they're on the key ring. And so it'll look like it's a little white, but it'll dry clear. And now I'm just adding the little key rings on each of them. And now on the back, I'm just going to write their name on it and then how old they were at the time that we made them. So this is what they look like when they're all finished. You'll see that some of them have a bit of a texture to them, and that is from the paint being too thick. So I would say try to keep it thinner if you want to try to avoid that. But overall, I think they turned out pretty cute and make for a great keepsake. So thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys on the next video.